where he got the metal one from. That's where he got the metal one from.
Huh.
Just want to see if they had a fitting over here or something.
Yeah. Do we have a decent amount of pads?
We have the white ones that we can't got with the chicken coop, but we don't have any like big ones.
What are you talking about?
Don't they have like mixtures of them and stuff?
No. We want to be pretty.
Do you want to be pretty?
I don't know.
He said, oh.
Alright, I guess we'll make it way back to the feed then.
Oh, yeah. I think just got like one more stop.
I want to put money on my phone.
And then I guess two more
What
stops.
else do we gotta do?
He wants to go buy a Walgreens to put money on his chime thing and then Ollie's.
It's my bank account. I have a bank account now. I want money on my bank account. Dad can't be mad if I'm putting money on my bank.
Overalls.
Huh?
Want some overalls? I want some boots.
You got a bunch of boots?
Not really, no.
I mean,
They don't have the boots here that I like anyway.
oh, but here. You can't even look at what Layla has done to me.
Oh my God. Layla has destroyed his shoe.
Look at my
Psycho kitty.
She's insane.
$7.99.
If anyone asks.
Hey, no $7.99. What?
Hand it up.
The 1250 cups is $7.99.
Oh,
I mean, just isn't that the cutest little cup in the whole wide world?
it's a little cup holder in there. A little bag, a little sling.
Oh, they know
Oh, it's a
$7.99.
lunchbox. Ah. Huh. That's a much proof. It's so much better than just
Look at those insoles.
I hate them.
Wool lined.
I hate these. This is for cold. Dude, I don't have a pair of these.
Okay, let's go. We're getting left. Are you talking about scratch or dog food?